Hi, welcome, bienvenidos. It's your girl Yessie, and I'm back with another video. So, welcome to day 7 of 12 days of tutorials. Today's palette of choice is a palette that I bought a while back, but I haven't used, so I want to show it some love. And the palette I'm talking about is the Tarte Maneater Nightfall palette, which is this baby right here. I haven't used it, but it looks so pretty. Look at the shades. Beauty, such a beauty. So the palette, the holiday palette that came out last year, which was, I believe, the Tarte Maneater. Last year, I loved it so much. I created so many looks with it. So I'm hoping for the best. Now for today's eye look, I kind of want to do another editorial eye look. I did this type of eye look per se a while back, and I want to try it again to see how it looks, but using different colors, which is kind of like a smoked out winged liner, but using eyeshadow and then just shadow right here in the inner corner. And that's it. I just want to see how it looks, and of course I want to practice, and that's what 12 days of eye tutorials are, to do techniques I don't typically do, you know, for me to step out of my comfort zone. So that's what I want to do. So if you're interested on seeing what I come up with, then please keep on watching. Alrighty, amigas, besties, so yay, we made it to day 7. I'm so excited. But anyways, like I mentioned, I'm going to be using the Tarte Maneater eyeshadow palette. So for this technique, I think I'm going to use some eye tape in the inner part of, not inner, in this part right here, just because I want that eyeliner. So I'm just going to put my tape like so. I think that looks okay, right? Yeah. Alrighty, so now I'm gonna go in ahead with the palette. So before we jump in, per usual, I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in Ebony to outline the eyebrows. Then I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dual Powder in Ebony as well to fill them in. And then I used Matte Paint Pot in Soft Ochre to carve the bottom of my eyebrow and prime the lids. So I know you guys are probably tired of hearing that, but I just want to let you know what I have going on. So now that we got that out the way, let's jump into the eyeshadow palette. So for this, I kind of want to do After Dark in the outer part for the liner, and then use one of these two shades for the inner corner. I'm just not sure, or maybe this green will look pretty. I'm not sure what eye look I want to do, but I want to do something fun. You know what? I'm going to go in with the blue. Yeah, I'm going to go in with the blue. So I'm going to go in with this shade right here. It's called After Dark. And I'm going to use, let's see, I'm going to use Morphe times Ariel. This is a A29 brush. It's a flat shader brush, but I'm going to use the tip of it because it's pretty big, so I can get a lot of space and it'll help me blend out. So I'm just going to make sure to go into the blue shade After Dark. Make sure it's coated on there. And then I'm just going to just follow the tape. And first I'm going to stamp it. And then I'm just going to wiggle it back and forth to create that smoky liner effect. And I'm just going to bring it up to the middle of my eye, like so. I kind of want to use another blue, but I'm not. So it should look something like that. As you can see, easy peasy. I hope I like this, and I hope it comes out. Alrighty, so now I'm gonna just grab a small blending brush, and I think I'm gonna go into the shade Passionate, which is this purple shade right here, and then maybe blend it out with Vixen, which is that pinky shade. So for this, I'm going to use this really tiny blending brush. This is from Cinch Beauty. This is the E.L.F. And I'm just going to just apply it to this part right here. Which, I'm not sure if I want to do the purple or the pink. Because I'm just thinking purple might look bruised. Let's try Vixen, which is this shade right here. Okay, so now I think I want to just apply a shimmer shade. So I'm going to go in with the shade Fascinate, which is this shade right here. And I'm going to use the Cinch E.L.F. brush. No, not this one. Sorry, the Cinch Beauty E.L.F. brush. And I'm just going to apply that shade like right here in the middle, just to lighten it, since there's not a light matte shade. Oh no, there is. I'm just gonna apply it here. Actually, yeah, there is. Pounds, which is this shade right here. Let me just clean my brush. I'm not sure if I like this look, but we'll see. We're just gonna keep going. We're just playing with makeup. So I'm just gonna, very pigmented. I'm just going to go here and make the line a little bit thinner. I'm going to go back in with that small blending brush, and I'm just going to blend the edges a little bit. Then I'm going to go back in with that Morphe brush, and I'm just gonna run this a little bit more. But yeah, I think this is the look right here. So yeah, this is easy peasy. So maybe it's gonna look better. I'm not good at this look. I've seen this technique going around on Instagram, and some of the girls look so beautiful with this. Like I said, this is my second time doing this, so I'm not quite feeling it, but maybe when I do the whole face, maybe it'll come together. I don't know. But we'll see. So stay tuned. I'll be right back. Alrighty, amigas, besties, so this is the final look. What do you guys think? The look is growing on me, honestly. When I first did it, I was like, I'm not too sure, maybe I should do a different look. But you know what, this is what makeup is about, trying different things, right? And we're just playing with makeup, we're having fun, right? So I like the color combination, I like the technique. I just don't know if this is a look for me. But I mean, it looks nice. I think it looks nice. Could it be better? Absolutely. I would have to keep playing with it, but yeah, I like it. I had fun. So what I did was I dragged that Nightfall, I think that's what the shade was. Yeah, After Dark. I used After Dark in the lower lash line, and then I used this eyeliner from NYX. It's in the shade Sapphire. So I used this in the waterline, and I thought it matched pretty well with the blue that we used as the winged liner. So yeah, I like it very much, but I think I have to toss this out because it was like clunking when I was swatching it. So it might be time for me to toss it, but anyways. But yeah, this is the look I created using the Tarte Maneater Nightfall. Maybe I should do a different look using this palette, maybe using, I don't know, the oranges, but I just wanted to do something different. You know when you crave something different? Yeah, this is something different. But yeah, I had fun doing it. So yeah. Anyways, I really hope you enjoyed today's eye look. I hope you're having a great day wherever you are. And as always, I'll catch you on the next one.